Hey guys!
Hey, it's part 3.
It's part 3. Wes, you've somehow dropped out. The Wiimote's turned off.
Oh,
That's
okay.
how.
Right. Hang on. I'll be back, guys. Dory.
There he is. You press B,
I
Wes.
press B.
What do we do now? Press A again. It's there we go.
Hey,
okay.
it's sorted. Look, guys, I have free will. I can do what I want to.
All right, let's do. What's this level called?
Are we going to the circus? Are we
Switch Scramble Circus.
Oh, no, it's another one.
No, it's a difficult level. It's not, but like
okay.
we have switches that we have to press, and they turn off when you jump on them after you've turned them on already.
Right.
Wes, stop walking on the ones I've already turned on.
Look.
Ah, shit. Wes, please stop.
I'm doing my own thing. Go fuck yourself. But I'm good at everything. Oh, no. Yeah, fuck you, bitch. Ooh.
Bees!
I did the thing.
The bees!
Bring your work to... Oh, I fucked up. Sorry! Thing. Hey, Oscar.
No, Wes, climb up the walls. God damn it. There, teamwork. Good. Function. Bees!
Bees! Bees!
Alright, green star up here.
Alright then.
Ha! Got it. I know this game like off by heart. This is gonna be so boring for you. I'm just gonna be able to get everything. Checkpoint.
No, it's fine. The audience are clearly watching because of me, not you. They love me.
Stop it, Wes! Don't walk on those switches!
There we go. Get it. Shut up. I need your shit.
Just stay still!
I did the last one. I got 2,000 points. Good.
You can swear. Oh, also, like, I can touch you.
Don't touch me. Don't, stop. No.
Stay still. Stay still. It's hilarious.
Just because I'm your creation doesn't mean that you're allowed to touch me.
Alright.
My father will hear about this. Oh god, I'm off the screen. Help! Help!
No.
Oh, did I die?
Mine.
No, I didn't die. It was fine. Can I get myself out of that bubble like that? Or what?
If you press jump, you just exit the bubble. You can't do that in New Super Mario Bros. Also, I know where the green star is.
What's happening?
Green star.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, in New Super Mario Bros., the other player has to pop the bubble.
Yeah, that's what I was confused about.
Yeah, but in this, you don't. Also, there's a stupid genie person. Or whatever.
Oh look, I got, like...
Are you a wizard?
Oh, I jumped on the thing again. Oh, no! No! God damn. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Ha! I got the last one!
Oh, bitch.
I timed that perfectly. Just to fuck you over. Alright. Boom! Got all those coins. Alright, now we have to do all these switches, so don't touch ones I've already done with! Just utter radio silence.
It's because we're concentrating.
Oh no! Wait, Wes, you can get the stamp. You can get the stamp because you're. Because you.
Wait.
Oh, wait, no. Jump and then. There we go.
Hey! Look at me.
Oh wait, no.
Yeah, fuck you, bitch! I did a hand.
Oh, not cool.
Oh!
I feel that.
Fuck yours.
But
look at you. Look at you. I've got 2 sets of ears.
Who fucking gets the crown? Probably you, because you got the top score. I don't know. I don't fucking know.
We got stamp. Guys, we're like stamp collecting now. We're gonna do videos like that.
Yes! Fuck you, Wes!
Smash his screen. Can't prove it no more, bitch!
Well, I can play on my gamepad, so you'd just be fucking yourself over, wouldn't you, Wes? Also, it's my telly. Fuck you. I'm also, like, ruffling up a bin bag with the cable, the gamepad charger, which is good. Oh, Bowser's Castle. 10 green stars? How about 21?
Oh, so you don't actually have to play all the levels at all?
No,
well,
you
but you don't.
You kind of do. Like, you can skip some levels and you don't have to get all of the green stars, but you have to get some. Because, of course, to get this level, we had to have 10. Yeah, I usually get all of them
I guess it helps,
anyway.
Because you could, like, the more green stars you collect in the lower levels, the less levels.
Yeah, the less
become more
difficult stuff you have to do. Also, yeah, like bomb footballs. And yeah, also, that's a cool thing. I can actually, like, blow into the gamepad's microphone to reveal, like, hidden stuff. My green star! Fuck you, Wes. Fuck you, Wes. No one likes you.
Wait, hang on. Can I do a thing with the
With the what?
fire?
What? Fire?
Can I become fire?
No. But you can. Press minus.
Where's mine?
Oh!
Where's mine?
Now press minus again. I made them go into the same place. Okay, yeah, good. Actually, wait, no. I've got to kick this into there, and then get the stone. Also, you probably should be a cat person, because I'm going to go up here, and only cat people can do this ways. Because you stupid.
Okay. Does it use things if I do that?
You use what?
Hang on. Oh, God, no. Thank you.
Alright, there's loads of clogs down here, so... Stand on the thwomps!
Ah! Missed it. Ah, he's gonna, like, sit on me. It's alright, I'm fine. Bitch. Oh, look, you can do a ground pound. I answered my question from earlier, that, like, in part 2. Shut up.
Did you ask that?
Yeah, I did. When I was watching the recording a second ago, I was like, oh, look, I asked a question and, like, I never answered because you fell and died. And I was like, ah, you died, bitch.
I just got a
my
very green
question.
star. Fuck you, Wes.
I was like... Oh, God! Fuck! I'm alright.
Oh shit, no. Did that wrong. I just went straight past it.
Oh, this is the thing. Oh.
There's 1,000 points for me. Okay, Bowser fight. Bowser fight.
I remember
Bowser
this
fight. Bowser fight. Stop saying you remember things, Wes. I remember this game too. I played through the entire thing. I don't go, oh, I remember this part.
Because I don't know anything about this game, so I remember little things. I mean, look at his car. It's purple. Purple wins.
Purple does win.
Sorry?
Purple does win.
Purple does win. Purple wins when white.
Yeah, when we were like choosing our avatars and stuff for the channel, I was like, hey Wes, what colour do you want your stormtrooper to be? It was like purple. I don't think Wes knows the purple is my signature colour that I've had for every single avatar I've used on my channels. So I've changed to red, because red is also cool. And Mario.
See, like, anybody who does 40k here, you'll like understand, but like, all my Blood Angels are purple, because Sun's Sanguinius us in custom chapter and stuff, because it's nicer than red.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Somebody who's watching, please, like, back me up. I'm not just talking crazy.
Oh, Blood Angels,
It's not me
40k!
just, like, making things up at all.
That's the thing. Stormtroopers, it's because you're a Star Wars fan.
Yeah, Stormtroopers work, and it's, like, thing, otherwise I'd be, like, a purple Marine, because, yeah. Also, yeah, backstory shit. But shut up.
Yeah, like, Wes is a pretty big Star Wars fan, so when it came to, like, thinking of a name for the channel, like
Stormtrooper, I died.
At first I was like, we need something game related, so I thought at first do something that's both, like, game culture in itself and gamey, so I thought Pixel Bros, because Mario Bros and Pixels. But then I realised that Pixel Bros is probably already a thing already, since it's very easy to come up with. Hence I came up with it in 5 seconds. And, like, you know, it's not very unique and doesn't really suit us because we're not even brothers.
No.
But and then I thought, like, what would relate to us? And then, like, one of my favourite game franchises is Metroid. And you like Star Wars. And I fucking love the Federation troopers there in Metroid. And, like, Stormtroopers, Star Wars, and all that jazz. So, like, I naturally, like, went, oh my god, Pixel Troopers! And then we can have little troopers. It was amazing. And then we did that. And now we're here. Origins. So let's talk about Star Wars.
I like how you talked, I like how you said, when we were choosing things, you mean, you came up with them, and I went, "Ah, this is awesome. Now make it purple." And then that happened.
Yeah, fair enough.
It wasn't just me.
Also, can't talk about
rather
Star
it wasn't
Wars
we,
because we're already over 10 minutes.
Okay, part 4 for our Star Wars edition.
Part 4, Star Wars edition, the Star Wars one. We're going to do Star Wars. People playing Mario. See you guys later.
Bye.